Yeah. I don't know how to wash plates yet. I don't know what to do. Some plates break so easily, some are strong and true. I don't wanna break my mommy's plate, I want to help instead. Can you please just show me how? The thoughts are in my head. This is how we wash the plates, carefully, step by step, nice and slow, don't rush at all. That's the safest way to help. First we gather all the plates, put them in one place. Check for food that's left behind, let's clean it off with care. Pie.
Scrape the food into the bin so the plate is clear. Now we're ready for the wash, we're doing great, my dear.
Next we turn the water on, not too hot, not cold. Add some soap and make some bubbles, watch the foam unfold. Pull the plate so carefully, with two hands nice and tight. Wash it gently front and back till it's clean and bright. Round and round the sponge can go, slow and nice and neat. Take your time, don't hurry up, clean it squeaky clean. Now we rinse the plate with water, let the soap go away. Shake it gently, place it down to dry another day. One by one we wash them all. Look at what we've done, helping mommy in the kitchen. Isn't this just fun? Now I know how to wash plates well, I can help each day. I'll be careful, strong and kind in my special way. There is greatness inside me, I can help and shine. Little steps can do so much, I'm learning all the time.